Hi there, welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorials. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Excel into the SQL Server, on how to retrieve data from your SQL Server database into your Excel. That can be used mostly by the people who are doing the analysis, or if you want to analyze your data from a database. You can use Excel, since Excel has like different charts that you can use to do your analysis on your data. So you can simply connect your database to Microsoft Excel, and then you can visualize your data using different type of charts and all the stuff. It will depend on how you want to analyze it, right? So here we actually have the database. As you can see, we have a database here called student DB in my local server, in my local SQL server there, right? And then we have a table inside of that student database, which is called TBL student. And then this is the data that we have. Let me close that. If you select the data from this table, right, so this is what we have in our table. So let's just say you want to get this data on your Excel, and then from there maybe you can do the charts, right? So I will quickly show you on how to do that in this video. So right, so we are going to open our Excel. We'll go there and open our Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Excel. Then we open the Excel there, right? And then we will create the new blank workbook, right? So we are going to display our data, right? So here we got the blank workbook, right? And then we need to retrieve the data that we have in our database here, right? So in a table form, maybe from there you can be able to from there you can use the table that you will have, maybe to do like the analysis, create different charts, right, based on that data. Right, so on your Excel, you go on your ribbon there. As you can see, you got different options there: file, home, insert, page layout, formulas. And then when you see here, we got the data, right? So this is where we actually connect the different sources that we want to collect the data from. Here you can see you can get the data from Access, you can data from web, from just the text, and then here we got from the other sources. So if you click here on the other sources, you can see here it says from the SQL Server, right? So you can create a connection to your database in the SQL Server and get the data from the tables in that database. Right, so then you can see here we got also the more different options, but the one that we're going to focus on today is this one. So I'm going to select from the SQL servers, and here I need to provide my server name, right? So I need to provide the server name. So this is just the local server, and I'm saying I'm using the Windows authentication, right? I'm saying use Windows authentication. So it means I don't have to provide the username and the password and so forth. But if you have the remote server that you connect into, obviously here you provide that remote server name, and then you choose this one. Obviously for security purposes, your remote server will, I can say, will always have the password and the username. Then you select this one, then you provide the password and the username, and then you click next to connect. So mine is just using Windows authentication, then I'll say next. Alright, so as I'm saying next, it's busy connecting. So it's now connected. As you can see, these are the databases that I have in my SQL server. So this is the one that I'm looking for, student DB. This is the one I've created, and this is the one I'm going to use to demonstrate this example. So I select the student DB, right? And then if I select the student DB, you'll see the tables that are under that database, student database. So I only have TPL student, right? Type is a table. If you want to select multiple tables, you can also select this option here, and then you'll be able to just to tick multiple tables from there, and then you will say next. So if you say next, this is just the file name to establish your for the connection, and then you can leave everything here as default, I can say, and then from there you can click finish. Oh, the file is already clear. I will say yes to replace that, and then you can select the section where you want to import the to import the data on. So as you can see, mine is selecting that F6 here. So if I don't want F6, it means I can come and click here. Okay, I want that one there. So as you can see, if I click this one, I'm saying I want that one there, and then I will say okay. It's loading, it's getting the data. It will depend on how many rows is retrieving, and so it might take time if you're retrieving a lot of data, right? So yeah, so then as you can see, boom, this is the data that we have in our SQL Server. Then from here, so it means you can be able to do different things, like you can use this data to do the charts and so forth, right? And you can analyze your data. So this is just a small example, but this is actually how you connect your Excel to your SQL Server database. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you to see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe. You can leave the comment in the comment section if you like like me to do any specific video. If there's some section that you don't understand, you can ask the questions on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.